In today's free online Capcut PC video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a free talking AI avatar in Capcut PC completely for free. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Once you have Capcut PC open, click New Project. If you don't know how to get Capcut PC, you can go to Google, Microsoft, or whatever browsing software engine that you have, and then type in Capcut. Click on the website, slap the download, wait for that to open, and then now you'll be given this prompt. You may or may not have to sign in as well, but we're going to click New Project. And once you have your project in, there's a couple ways to create a free voice AI avatar or character in Capcut PC. You can import an audio or video track, and then you can drag it onto your timeline. But in this case, I'm going to go over right here, and I'm going to click the microphone icon or option which says record, and I'm going to record some audio, so all BRB. Okay, so once you have your audio piece or video, in this case if you have a video it would appear right here. You want to click on the video and let's just say right click, and then you can unlink it, and then the audio would be right here. I'll show some screenshots right here on how to do that as well. Okay, so for the beginning, go over here and you can zoom in or zoom out. You want to right click on your audio piece and then click this option, transcript based editing. It's going to analyze your audio piece and wait for this to load. Okay, now the top left hand of your screen, you will see this transcript and you have your text. So if you click and hold, you notice that it highlighted your text. Now you should get these two options, delete or text template. Click the second one where it says text template. And in this case, there's a whole list of different texts right here that you can choose from. Now choose whichever text that you want to use for this tutorial. In this case, I'm going to click this one right here, download the text. Then I'm going to click this little plus icon right here. And as you can see, it added onto the timeline or onto the video preview. Okay, now so if you really want, you can highlight your audio and you can delete it. Because now when you click your text layer, you want to go over to the top right hand screen and click the third option, or where it says AI characters. And this is where it gets really cool, guys. Trust me, the before and after is going to absolutely blow your mind. So be sure to stick until the very end of the video for a massive surprise. Okay, so once this has loaded, we have a whole list of different AI characters. And as you can see, I'm scrolling up or I'm scrolling down. And there are so many AI characters or avatars that we can choose from in Capcut PC. In this case, I like this person right here. Looks like a monk. So I'm going to click download and I'm going to click add at the bottom right hand screen. And it's going to be generating speech on your text layer. This may or may not take some time depending on your computer specs, so wait for this to load and I will be right back. Okay, so now it says character has been applied. As you can see, we now have a free AI character or avatar in Capcut PC, and this is what this sounds like when you click the play button.
This is a test for the free online Capcut PC voice AI character or avatar tutorial.
Okay, so I'm actually blown away, but the voice sounds a little bit off, and basically if you want to edit, you can go over here to the top right hand screen and click character settings, and you can update your avatar or choose something else if you would like. Okay, now once I have the free AI avatar, at least I found another one, this is what this sounds like.
This is a test for the free online Capcut PC voice AI character or avatar tutorial.
Notice that the male sounds so much better than the previous one, or at least in my opinion.
This is a test for the free online Capcut PC voice AI character or avatar tutorial.
This is a test for the free online Capcut PC voice AI character or avatar tutorial.
As you can tell, English is on point, and this is exactly what we want for a video. In this case, you have so many AI avatars or characters to choose from. You can even choose for a female one and click OK.
This is a test for the free online Capcut PC voice AI character or avatar tutorial.
Wow, I'm actually blown away. A tip or trick is if you want, you can now click on your text and then delete. And if you click on your avatar or your video layer, you can go under to script to the second option right here, and you can type in whatever you want your avatar to say. So in this case, I want you to say, and once you're happy with the text, you can click OK to apply the speech. And notice in our free AI character, our female is transparent. So basically, you can even add an image to the background. So I'm going to choose an image. I'll be right back. Basically, I'm going to add this picture or this 4K image of a beach and basically dragging it below our AI character. And I'm extending it to the right. And as you can see right now, this is what we have.
This is a test for the free online Capcut PC voice AI character or avatar tutorial. So in this case, I want you to say thank you for watching this video and subscribe to the channel for more free online AI.
Wow, this is nearly perfect. The last best tip I can give you guys and girls is if you click your video and hold Alt up, it's basically gonna duplicate the video. Now it doesn't stop there, because if you go under to script, you can update your script, but guess what? If you want this to say something else, you can also click OK to update your speech. But in this case, I'm gonna click Ctrl+A, and I'm gonna copy the speech or the text, and then I'm gonna change the character settings. Basically, this layer that we have just created, I can move this to the left, and now I can update our voice AI character. Let's say to a male, and then I'll click OK. And then while this is loading again, I'm gonna click Ctrl+A, Ctrl+V to update the text of our new AI character, and click OK. And now, as you can see, we have two AI characters. We have a male and we have a female. And this is what this looks like.
This is a test for the free online Capcut PC voice AI character.
Well, I'm actually blown away. If you want to learn how I edit my videos and save hundreds of hours and money per year, then consider clicking down the link down below. Again, it's an affiliate. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.